Hi friends, a warm welcome to our channel Be Smarter. We are immensely happy to meet you all and introduce our Smartkids multi-talented program which improves our whole brain development. Let me explain what is whole brain development. Basically, our brain is divided into two parts, right and left hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls left side of the body and the left hemisphere controls right side of the body. So through our Smartkids multi-talented program, we are going to combine together to improve our logical and creative thinking. Basically, the right hemisphere is like thinking for creative part and the left hemisphere is for logical thinking. So through our activities of Abacus, brain gym exercise, personality development, brain teaser, optical illusion and much more, all this is going to help us to improve overall brain development and our personality. Now let me introduce what is Abacus. I hope most of you heard the word Abacus. What is Abacus? It's nothing but a counting tool. Here you can see the small students Abacus, and even here I have my master's Abacus which we use it for teaching. Basically the origin of Abacus is unknown, but there are different types of Abacus in the world. For example, if you would see Chinese Abacus, Japanese Abacus, and then Roman Abacus and Russian Abacus. But at present what I am having, most of us what we are using, it's Japanese modern Abacus. So now let's get started with the Abacus first level of Smartkids program. I am very glad to introduce this program to you. This is like from the age of 4 years to anyone till like 14, the kids, even adults, you all can learn. It's very easy and interesting. Let me start with the parts of Abacus to you to know the values and get started with the Abacus first level. So let me draw the parts of Abacus in the board first. You all can follow. Just like for the basic understanding, we have to know, as it's like we have seen photo frame in our house. The same thing. This is the frame of Abacus. Just like I have drawn the frame here. We usually get the wooden frame. Here you can see the plastic frame. So this is the frame of Abacus. The next one, it's same like a calculator. How the way we add the numbers in the calculator to get the answer. Same thing. When we are adding the beads to the bar, this line, we will get the answer. Otherwise, the value will be 0. Now there is no bead touching to this line. This is called status bar. We simply call it as bar even. So when we are adding the numbers to the rod, we can able to get the answer. So this is the status bar. And then there are 5 dots in Abacus which you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to start from the center rod. So here 2 rods, 2. So the center one is going to be units rod. For your better understanding, I have drawn only the units rod so that like you can able to understand clearly the center part. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lower beads are there and 1 upper bead. So let me draw 4 lower beads to you. 1 upper bead. So below the bar, these beads are called lower bead because this is the status bar which we are going to get the value through adding the numbers to this. So when we are having this below the bar, these beads are called lower bead. So these are lower beads. Even you can say like earthly beads. When it's coming above the bar, this is upper bead. You can say heavenly beads. So just for our understanding, when we are differentiating the value, this is lower beads. There are 4 lower bead and 1 upper bead. So let me give you the value of it. 1 lower bead is 1. So the value of 1 lower bead is 1. But only 1 upper bead is there. So 1 upper bead is 5. For example, now there is no bead. So 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we add it, 1. Now I would like to have 4. So 4. Now I would like to have 3. So we can have 3. Now we want 2. So 2 beads. So 1 to 4 we have below. But how can we add 5? No no need to worry, just we have to go above the bar. Only one upper bead is 5. So just we have to imagine the value of upper bead is 5, but the value of lower bead is 1. So that is the difference what we have to understand in the first introduction class. The value of lower bead is 1 and the value of upper bead is 5. Hope it's clear. Just you can take a notebook and you can draw this bead value. Then we can able to start easily with the counting of beads. So now let's get started with the counting of beads again in the diagram. When we are going for these activities continuously, will we do only one particular thing of abacus? No. We are having several activities as I told you in the introduction of the video. So how we are planning all those activities? When we introduce the page to the kid after the parts of abacus, we are having the brain teaser. Brain teaser is nothing but it's a riddle, basically with the verbal or shapes or numerals likewise. So whenever we give them these kind of activities, we can able to improve their thinking ability, presence of mind. They have to find the answer, so they will be curious. It will be interesting always. So just I will explain what is the brain teaser here. It's what ends in a W but has no end. So when it comes for the brain teaser, always we give them the question. First we will give them time to think. So they will think with the clue. So question, we can have the clues. So those are, first one, ends in W. What ends in W? The second clue, has no end. So the question reveals as 2 clues. With this 2, if they are able to find out, well and good. In case if they are below 7-year-old, we can give them further clues. It has 7-letter word. So when we give them the 7-letter, so they can able to guess the word. 7-letter word ending with W has no end. So we have to show them the way how to connect each clue one another. Otherwise we can go with the next clue. It's a natural thing. About 10-year-old kid, definitely they can able to guess with these 4 clues. For the younger one, we can offer further more. We can't touch. So with this 5 clues, a word is ending with W but there is no end, and 7-letter word, it's a natural thing we can't touch. So this is the way we have to give the brain teaser to the kids. They will definitely enjoy as well as explore much more. Now let's get started with the next activity. With the bead value, you can take a rough note, just you can follow these bead values diagram. What we are going to do is, in jumble we are going to arrange 1 to 9 beads. Just you have to count and then write the answer, so that we can able to know the understanding about abacus in a better way with the bead value of introduction. So the first one starts with upper bead above the bar, in the sense immediately we have to start counting from 5. So 5, 6. This is what we will show you. As I told you, this 5. You can take a rough note and just draw as it is. This is for counting the beads. We are going to draw the bead value from 0 to 9. So we can count the bead value and write it down, so that you will be familiar with the beads. Then from next class onwards, you can able to easily use those bead values for addition and subtraction. So let's get started with the first one. When it's above the bar, when you see here, this upper bead value is 5. Below the bar, lower bead is 1. So 5, 6. This is going to be 6. So once we have counted, we can write here. This is 6. The next one we are having here, below the bar, 4 lower beads. So this is 4. As I told you, lower bead 1 is 1. So when we are having 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, the value is 4. So we can write 4. And only one upper bead, as we always explain, this upper bead is 5, because this is above, that is big. So the value is 5. Only one bead, but just we have to imagine the value of upper bead is 5. So this is the difference what we have to understand clearly in the first class. The next one, 1, 2, 3. So here it is 3. Next one, below the bar, when it comes, just like we have to differentiate between above and below. Below the status bar, only one lower bead is 1. If it's nothing, there is no bead. So when it's nothing, the value is 0. So we can write 0. So the next one, 5, 6, 7, 8. The value is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So always start count from upper bead 5. So the next one, 1, 2, because it started from lower bead 2. So the next one, 5, 6, 7. From above we have started, so that the answer is 7. 5, 6, 7. So only one number is left. What is that number? Have you found it? Yes. So that is the answer for the last one. I'll show you the abacus first. So that is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how the way we are going to draw here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the way 0 to 9. We can do it 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, then nothing. So nothing means 0, 8, 2, 7 and 9. Hope the bead value is clear. Now get ready for the next exciting activity. It's called speed test. Whatever it is, like it can be for school going students, exam presentation, or else like their notes completion in the class. They have prescribed time. Within the time they have to finish it. Otherwise that will be difficult for them to copyright and all. Even for adults also, we have prescribed time to complete our task. So when it comes for the speed, we all are like forced to improve our speed. It can be for writing, gradually for other activities too. So how the way we are going to improve it? We'll be having 1 minute time. In the first level, in the first class, like we will introduce direct speed test. It's nothing but just like we will be writing the numerals from 1 to 0. With this 1 to 0, what like we will do, as like we all are having the smartphones, you will be having the timer in it. So just like you can take the clock, 1 minute timer, you can ask your mom to set 1 minute. So when the timer starts, like you have to start right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Fast, we have to write. So when the first class, according to the kids' age, they will be writing around 60, 25, 110, depends upon the age absolutely. Then like we can give the score 1 minute. 40. So when we will be doing the next day, we can have in further classes like we will be having the different pattern as well. But the same pattern even when we are monitoring in the next class, definitely it will increase. So this is the way we can improve the writing speed. Gradually we will focus on like handwriting, neat and legibility. So these all will enhance our presentation. It can be for assignments or else our exam preparations. Hope it's clear. So now let's get started with the another fun activity. As already like we have mentioned here, knowledge is power, language is strength and learning is fun. So whenever like we are having the little ones, when we are giving the activities with overloaded with fun, then they will be showing the enthusiasm, they will have the interest, they will be eager to learn. So what we are having, it's like at present at home, whatever the things are available, with that we can keep them busy as well as we can improve their concentration, focus. Ultimately they will enjoy, they will not feel bored. So what we can do, we can set the 1 minute timer. Just like they can use whatever the glass it's available, the tumbler, it can be our silver or plastic, whatever it is, just we are going to arrange it as a cup pyramid. So what we are going to do through this activity, we are going to focus on the concentration, speed, how the way like they are going to build according to their creativity. Along with that, we can improve the competitive spirit. Like, let's all the family members do it. So who's going to complete first? And then the family bonding will be the quality of time what we are spending without any screening. Even if it's like 10 minutes or 15 minutes with our kids, we can spend without any distraction. So these things will enhance their self-confidence as well as like competitive spirit. Moreover, they'll enjoy and they will not feel bored. Hope it's clear to you and it's interesting as well. Hope this introduction class is interesting to you all. We are eagerly waiting to meet you all in our next session in the next week. If you like our video, kindly give a thumbs up. If it's useful, kindly share with your friends. And whoever didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned with Be Smarter, stay stronger. Bye bye.